Your question is a separate Vananchal state carved out of Bihar can be made possible by. Your options are A. Passing the legislation in state assembly, B. Passing the ordinance by the governor, C. Completing constitutional formalities, or D. None of these. Right answer is D. None of these. Your question is which of the following rights can be enforced under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Constitutional rights, B. Fundamental rights, C. Statutory rights, or D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Fundamental rights. Your question is which of the following is or are listed among the directive principles in Part 4 of the Constitution of India? 1. Equal pay for equal work. 2. Uniform civil code. 3. Small family norm. 4. Education through mother tongue at primary level. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 1 and 2, C. 2 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 4, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. 1 and 2, equal pay for equal work and Union Civil Code. Your question is how is Vice President of India elected? Your options are A. By direct national election, B. Nomination by President, C. Through direct election by the MPs of Lok Sabha and MLAs of Vidhan Sabha, or D. Through election by the MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Right answer is D. Through election by the MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Your question is who was the law minister in the first cabinet of post-independence India? Your options are A. K. M. Munshi, B. S. P. Mukherjee, C. Baldev Singh, or D. B. R. Ambedkar. Right answer is D. B. R. Ambedkar. Your question is who advises the government of India on legal matters? Your options are A. Attorney General, B. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, C. Chairman, Law Commission, or D. None of these. Right answer is A. Attorney General. Your question is the quorum of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is. Your options are A. 1/5 of the total membership, B. 1/6 of the total membership, C. 1/10 of the total membership, or D. 1/8 of the total membership. Right answer is C. 1/10 of the total membership. Your question is which one of the following statements regarding the office of the speaker is correct? Your options are A. He holds office during the pleasure of the president, B. He need not be a member of the house at the time of his election but has to become a member of the house within 6 months from the date of his election, C. He loses his office if the house is dissolved before the end of his normal tenure, or D. If he intends to resign, the letter of his resignation is to be addressed to the deputy speaker. Right answer is D. If he intends to resign, the letter of his resignation is to be addressed to the deputy speaker. Your question is Chairman of Rajya Sabha is. Your options are A. The Vice President of India, B. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, C. Chief Election Commissioner, or D. The Prime Minister of India. Right answer is A. The Vice President of India. Your question is which one of the following statements correctly describes the fourth schedule of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. It lists the distribution of powers between the Union and the states, B. It contains the languages listed in the Constitution, C. It contains provisions for the administration of tribal areas, or D. It allocates seats in the Council of States. Right answer is D. It allocates seats in the Council of States.